Hi, in this video I'm going to show you a few unusual tools I'm using to create Carborundum Collagraph plates. Actually, I use these tools also in monotype printmaking and in painting, but in this particular video I will show you how I create 4 small Carborundum Collagraph plates. It is a series, and I will print a proof print of those plates. At the end I will show you the result, and this is part number 1 of this video. In part 2, which I'll be publishing soon, I will show you how I print new prints from those plates, including chine colle. So if you haven't subscribed yet to my channel, if you are new here, please click subscribe button so you will not miss the new video. So what are the tools I will be using? So I'm using 4 small plexiglass plates. I will put link to all the materials I use in this video in the description. This is a punch stitching hole tools kits for leather, a wire brush, sandpaper, this roller with a texture. I use it for printmaking purposes and also for painting, and 2 clay tools. So you will find all the links in the description. And I will show you in a minute how I use these tools in my printmaking practice. I'm also using Aqua Carborundum gel. Here I have it in not the original container because I broke it, but this is my favorite Carborundum gel to use to create Carborundum Collagraph plate. I will also put the link. And also to apply it, I'm using this silicone brush. I will put link to that as well. So I will be applying a Carborundum to those plates. I will be making marks with those tools, both directly into the plate and also in the applied Carborundum gel. And as you probably know, Carborundum gel, Carborundum grit will hold ink, so it will create dark areas. And the plexiglass, very smooth surface, it will be very easy to wipe, so you can achieve either white areas in the print or very light tones. I suggest wearing gloves because it's sticky and it's also like very gritty, so use gloves to apply it. So this is a series of 4 small plates for 4 prints, and they will be abstract, inspired by different landscapes, textures existing in nature. So I'm trying to create like a 4 cohesive prints. If you don't know me, my name is Marta Nowicka. I'm a Polish visual artist based in the US. I'm a painter, printmaker, and on my channel I share my art process. I share tutorials in printmaking, mixed media, watercolors, and I also have playlists with art book reviews. So I highly encourage you to check in my playlist, watching my other videos. There are many videos with interesting topics. And depending how much of the gel you will add, you will get different effects. It will be lighter or darker. You can even get almost like a very textural 3D results if you add a like very thick layer of that gel. So I'm working like without really a plan. I know what I want to achieve is to have some very dark areas contrasting with light areas, and also I will be adding some lines, so I have like black areas, white areas, and lines. So many people are using Carborundum grit, like just like this gritted solder powder, and they first cover the plate with the glue or other medium, and then they sprinkle it with Carborundum grit, and it's also a very good way of creating Carborundum plates. I like using the gel because then you can have those more like painterly strokes, more like brush strokes, or rather like a palette knife strokes, so you can get different effects when you use Carborundum in a gel form. But if you have already Carborundum grit, you can just mix it with an acrylic medium and it should work as well. And if you haven't watched, I have another video where I create the whole plate using Carborundum gel I will put the link above and also in the description, and then I print it into versions in different colors so you can see another plate created with that gel. Now I'm using this roller to add some interesting marks, linear marks. So I'm rolling over the carborundum gel and it will remove some of the carborundum, and then I can apply it to the clean area of the plate to get something on that area. It's a very versatile tool. I'm using it also during painting to get these nice linear marks in my paintings. Now I'm scraping with this clay tool into the carborundum. So I'm removing some of the carborundum. If I manage to get directly to the plate, if I manage to maintain like the transparent areas, it should be white after printing. So that's a way to create some marks, linear marks. Now I'm adding some dots with this clay tool. I like using it in painting, in printmaking, and on one side it has this like a ball, on the other side it has a silicone like shaper, so you can use it as well for creating marks or like removing some paint when you are painting. Yeah, so you can see I'm removing some of the carborundum with the other side of the tool. And now I will be scraping into the plastic, into plexiglass to get the dry point lines. So I'm pushing hard to get dry point line. So you can either, create lines in the plate, or you can also remove some of the carborundum with that tool. So these are plates with still wet carborundum gel. And you may ask, where is the sandpaper? It looks like it didn't record, but I used sandpaper at the beginning. I just scratched the plate with the sandpaper to get some plate tones or some delicate lines. And here you have a dry plate with dried carborundum gel. And now here are the proof prints. So in the next video I will show you how I printed those plates with different black and also adding some chine colle paper, hand colored chine colle paper. So if you'd like to see that, press the subscribe button so you will get information when it's published. And also, if you like this content, if you like this video, please check out my other printmaking videos. Please like, comment, it really helps me to grow my channel and create more videos like that for you. Thank you for watching.